So those animal videos are the new addition to my channel. I wanted to add something extra to my channel to make it different. And I added funny animal videos just so I could make you guys smile. And I hope that they did. Okay, so I have a whole bunch of Valentine's Day projects for you guys today. This first one, I saw, if I can remember where I saw it, I'll put her link in the description box. It's a tiny little rolling pin. So I took the stick out of the bottom of a sponge brush, and I'm painting it pink. And for her ends, she used little beads from the Dollar Tree, but I'm using clay because I didn't have any little beads, and I didn't want to go out to the store. Everything I'm using today is from my stash. So after I paint it pink, I just take my little clay and I roll it up into two little pieces for the ends. And then, of course, I'm going to make something, a design off my silhouette cameo. I made the X's and the O's, and I just put it on the rolling pin, and then I glued my ends on, and look how cute that is. Isn't that adorable and so easy to make? Project number 2, 3, and 4 are 3 kind of pretty much jars. So I decided I wanted to make some Valentine's jars. All this stuff, guys, it pretty much goes on a tiered tray. So I made 3 of these jars. I just painted them all different sizes, and then I made some designs on my silhouette cameo. I mean, you guys pretty much know how to paint a jar, right? So I didn't really film it. This one I left plain because I got these adorable fortune cookies from Dollar Tree. Wait till you see them. They are so adorable. They're like foam. And I wanted you to be able to see them in this jar. Weeding this heart was so tedious, but I kind of enjoyed it. It was a little relaxing when I took my time and did it. Look at these fortune cookies. Oh my God, they're so adorable. They're like little foam, like I said, little foam fortune cookies, and they actually have the fortune inside. How cute is that? And then I did paint the lid. Those are pretty nice jars from the Dollar Tree. Here, this one says I love you with a little balloon heart, and this one just says love. I really wasn't happy with the paint job on this little jar. I should have maybe sanded it down a little bit to make it a little rougher, because it didn't take the paint that good. But I was really happy with the way this design looked on it. So here's all 3 of the finished projects. Okay, guys, so project number 5. Project number 5, I cut a bunch of hearts out of this poster board. And I did cut a couple out of cardboard as well for my next project. So I used one of these hearts here that I cut out with my razor knife. I just traced them off a cardboard heart that I made. I'm better making half a heart than I am a whole heart. So I start out folding the piece of paper or the fabric, and then I trace it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take one of those mop head, dry mop, this thing right here, and I'm going to attach that on the front of the heart. Now, I think this is so beautiful, but it sheds terribly. So you have to be real careful. I put glue around the edges to try to keep it intact, but still sheds. Here's the finished one. Okay, project number 6, guys. I love how these turned out. Now, I saw the Latina next door doing some of these hearts, and I said, wait a minute, I have those scissors, I forget what they're called, the shearing scissors? No. The scissors that make the zigzag line. Anyway, I took these fabrics that I got from Walmart. You get a pack of them, I think, for $5 or $6. And I doubled them up and, of course, made a half a heart. And then opened them up and glued the bad sides together. I left a little opening and I stuffed them. Now, she made a lot of them and hers were just gorgeous. I'll put her link in my description box. They are really beautiful. I stuffed them, and then I used I wish I could remember the name of them. They begin with an S. Anyway. Oh, that's bothering me now. So anyway, I just stuffed them with stuffing. After that, I cut around the edges and made the little cute design, which you'll see now. Those scissors right there. What are they called, guys? Leave it in my description box. You know what I meant, right? Anyway, I made 2 of these. I picked out 2 fabrics, and I love how they turned out. These are so cute. You could just, this is such an easy design to take up space on your tiered tray. I mean, look how cute they are. They're just adorable. And here's my finished project. So last but not least, guys, project number 7. So I had these little roses. These were so beautiful. I don't even know what they're like. They're not felt. They're kind of like a velvet type of material. Anyway, I found this little box at Goodwill. And I bought it because I thought they were beautiful. So I figured let me add them to today's video and try to make a heart out of them. Now, I only had so many, so it was a little difficult. I mean, it doesn't look exactly like a heart. But then I added the little bow that came on the package, and here's the finished product. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I worked really hard on it. Please hit that subscribe button, and if you did like it, hit that like button, please. It makes a big deal for my channel. Bye, guys.